Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check the review from Aula F75. So let's check. Well, this is a new keyboard that you can check on internet and it's fabulous. So I will give you one review that I found on internet that you can find anywhere if you prefer. If you check on Google, you can find many reviews, but this internet review, it's one of the best one. So I want to share with you if you want to check this one. For example, this, if you are finding out keyboard for gaming, I think this is the best option for you. This says the Aula F75 are great for gaming. They offer impressive latency performance suitable for playing games in all genres at a casual or competitive level. They also have full RGB backlighting, and they say they only have decent overall build quality with significant deck flex and fairly cheap filling plastic case. Also note that the keycaps don't have shine through legends, so you can read them in dark settings. So here you find pros and the contrast. So in the pros, you impressive all-around lantern's performance, perky RGB backlighting, and contrast is build quality is only decent, extremely inconsistent, and confusing retail documentation and technical specification. Intuitive software with some watt limit keeping and only compatible with Windows. So here you have the pros and cons for this review. For that reason, I think this review is awesome because give you the best option if you prefer or not the keyboard. So whatever you prefer, well, I recommend you to check it, and if you like it, well, you can buy it or not, but you can check also another reviews on internet. As I told you, this is only the review I check it, but you can check more reviews if you are finding out the answer for you. So guys, I hope this video helps you, this information. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.